In this exercise, we're going to take a look at the drawing properties. We come up to Tools, Document Settings. What I mean by the drawing properties, this is really information about what style is active. So if we had our own custom style, we could change it to be a set style. We can enter information in here about the sketch. We have information about the drawing, how we want it to be saved, dimension, text alignment, either view position and maintain centered, or view position, percentage of the dimension line. You have some just little tweaks in here that are specific to this drawing. And then you have sheet. One of the things I hate that they do out of the box that I always forget to change is by default, this is some weird beige color. If I come up here and do a new drawing, we'll take a look at that. See there's this weird beige color in there. You hit document settings, go to sheet. Change that over to a nice clean white sheet there. You also have outlines that you can adjust if you want to. Highlighting selection. So now I have a nice clean sheet in there. And these are the document settings for a drawing. I come over here to an assembly. I go to the document settings. I have a couple more settings. I have my general lighting styles that I can use. You have the display appearance settings. And what this is the defaults that you want it to show whenever you look at an assembly. I can turn off shadows or turn shadows on automatically. I usually leave them off automatically so that I can manually turn them on when I need them. You get a real complex drawing, you don't want it to automatically turn them on you. Units. This is where you set your units for inches or metric. So if you need to convert it over, this is where you can display how do you want your dimensions to display automatically. So inside of a sketch, do you want it to display as an expression? Do you want it to display as a name? So you get this default. You have sketching information as far as grids. Do you want grids to show? Do you want line weights and things like that? Modeling. You have a couple options for modeling. And then you even have options for bill of material. How do you want it to show up? What's the normal bill of material part you want it to show? Hit apply. And then if we come over here to the part, once again, we can go to Tools, Document Settings, and you see you get basically the same stuff in a part as you do in an assembly. One thing is you get default tolerances, so you can adjust the tolerances of the part. Bill of material is the same, modeling's the same, sketch and units the same. So you can come in here and tweak this. This is the information about the file. This is the units, this is some of the sketching information. In the drawings, that's where you get the background colors. So take a look at the document settings and know that this travels from document to document. So this is very much a document specific setting. So take a look at this and see what the difference is between an assembly, between a drawing file, and between an IPT, and see how the document settings affect each environment, how they're just a little bit different from one another.